Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. My voice is echoing because I am here in my sunroom after a very long time. Today we are studying / doing our homework, and mine will be calculus. As everyone knows, at this point I'm taking AP calculus, and this is the only AP class I've ever taken in my life, and will be the only one I'll be taking. So yeah, I'm currently doing my homework. I started on it at my internship, but I didn't finish because I was helping the students take their tests. So yeah. By the way, I have myself some Milo. It's basically Filipino hot chocolate. I know a lot of Southeast Asian countries have it, like Indonesia, Thailand, the Philippines, and I think Singapore as well. So very, very yummy drink. Anyway, let's get started. I can't tell if that's the wind or like a car. I'm getting the wrong answer. Also, this is my last video while I'm a minor, I guess. I'm gonna turn 18 this weekend, so I'm very excited. By the time you're watching this, I'm probably older, so that's crazy. So yeah. So I have accomplished half of my homework, so yeah, we'll now continue to the second part, which is just 3 questions. Also, I'm breaking out like right here and here. It's really annoying, but okay, we're gonna live with it. Hopefully it goes away by tomorrow, because my birthday's in 2 days. I really like this calculator, but it's really old. Compared to my other one, this one's really old. I'm on the last question. Also, it's very windy outside, so I'm sorry if it's annoying you or bothering you, if you can hear the wind noise. This is this week's spread of plans, I guess. So I just finished my homework and now I have to feed Leo. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys finished whatever you had to do. I didn't really talk in this video that much. I hope you were productive and as productive as me, which is basically doing our tasks together. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye.